That's a great question many traders ask. Let's clarify the role of TradingView for those who trade for a living. TradingView is, at its core, a world-class charting platform. Its primary strength lies in its intuitive interface, extensive technical analysis tools, and the sheer volume of assets available, from stocks and crypto to forex and futures. Professional traders absolutely use it, but often in a specific capacity. For most professionals, especially those in hedge funds or institutions, execution is typically handled through proprietary or institutional-grade brokerage platforms. These platforms are designed for high-frequency, low-latency trading and deep liquidity access. However, TradingView remains highly relevant for analysis and idea generation. Many professionals rely on it for visualizing complex strategies, running backtests with its PineScript programming language, and leveraging its massive community of traders for unique insights and custom indicators. The platform offers professional plans explicitly designed for registered investors, providing advanced features, more chart layouts, and the option for professional-grade market data. In short, while they may not execute every trade directly on TradingView, many professionals consider it an indispensable tool for charting, testing, and keeping a pulse on the global markets. It serves as a powerful analysis engine that complements their execution-focused brokerage tools.